Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how you can make money using Clickbank without the hassle of having to build a website. You see, there seems to be a common misconception that in order to make money online you need to create your own products and then build a website in order to sell them. Well, this simply isn't true, and today I'm going to talk about a method of making money that doesn't require you to create your own products, build your own website, or have to worry about customer support. It's called affiliate marketing, and in my opinion it's the easiest and fastest way to get started online. But before we get on to all of that, I would like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. So if you enjoyed today's video, please do subscribe to my channel and keep your eye out for my latest videos. I try and post 2 new videos each week. Okay, let's move on to today's topic, how it's possible to make money using Clickbank without the hassle of having to build a website. The first thing you need to do is find a product to promote. A popular site for affiliates is obviously Clickbank. If you go to their website at www.clickbank.com, you will find many offers you can promote in order to make a commission. I would suggest you find a product in which you have some interest, and if you use the search button on Clickbank, you'll be able to find the offers that are converting best at the moment. Once you have selected an offer to promote, you'll need to build an affiliate funnel. There are a number of page builders available online that will enable you to do this, and one of the most popular is a software called ClickFunnels. In case you're not sure what an affiliate funnel is, let me quickly give you an overview. Basically, there are 2 parts. First, you need what's called a landing page, where you will offer a free gift in exchange for someone giving you their email address. Secondly, you need to build a thank you page. The purpose of this page is to get them to click on your affiliate link so you get paid a commission on that sale. The thank you page does not have to be complicated. In fact, keeping it simple is often the best approach. Once your affiliate funnel is up and ready, it's time to move to the next step, promoting additional offers through email marketing. Now, I'm going to be totally upfront and honest with you here. In order to do all this, you will need to have a few things in place. You will need to have a full-fledged funnel built out. You will need an email autoresponder and create email copy to sell your offers. And you will need additional offers that convert well and are proven to work. And of course, you will need to learn strategies on getting traffic, whether it's paid traffic or organic traffic. Now, you may well be comfortable doing all of this, which is great if you are, or you can take the route I did and partner with someone who has already done all of this. Taking this route will of course give you a great head start. If you check out the link in my description, you'll see a link where you can register for a free online training video where my mentor and partner Dean, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will explain the 4 core areas you need to focus on to grow a profitable affiliate business. I do highly recommend Dean and believe he's one of the most trustworthy internet marketers online. And he is one of the very best at providing his clients with all the help they need to succeed. And as such, I would suggest you at least take a look at his free online video. Okay, if you enjoyed this short video, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video, as I appreciate your feedback. And don't forget to look below and click the link, sign up and watch Dean's free training video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.